Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to HD Bulls and Bears Analysis channel. This channel is about stock market tech analysis channel. Before going to today's video, please read the following disclaimer, my dear friends. Thank you, friends. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon. Please hit the thumbs up button and by giving your like. Okay, dear friends, we will go to today's video. Today's video is about what? From today onwards, that is I planned to give my introductory views. Okay, introductory views I planned to give, that is tomorrow. What may be the market? How the market will behave? That is buy above level or sell above level. That is those views and observations I am going to give. That is what I am suggesting you means you please observe those views. I am not recommending you to trade. Okay, just observe. You check it out whether it is going as per the plan or not. Okay, I am not responsible for your profit or loss. Okay, dear friends, if you are new to my channel, please join my Telegram channel also. There I will be giving you live calls. Okay, in YouTube I will be giving calls a day before. Always live calls will be very effective as compared to one day before calls. Okay, so better join in Telegram channel also. Okay, for live intraday calls and observations. Okay, dear friends, today's video is about what? Today's video is about free earnings in stock market intraday views on 1/2/2021. That is for tomorrow. Okay, that is I am giving my own views. That is what is the buy above level or sell below level. Okay, that is I am going to give. But what I am suggesting you means you please just observe. Okay, if you want to trade, it's your wish. I am not recommending you to buy or sell and all. It's your wish, it's your risk, as trading involves that is a substantial risk. Okay, it's your risk. I am not advising you to buy or sell. Okay, I am giving my own view, what I am going to do, that I am giving it to you. Okay, you observe for a period of 1 week or 10 days. If it is okay for you, you can start trading with a small quantity, and it's your wish. I am not advising you to trade. It's whatever you decide, you decide. Okay, but I am giving my own views. Okay, I will be giving on what levels I will be trading, that I am giving it to you. Okay, dear friends. Okay, friends. Now we will go to today's video. Today's video, that is I already told you, that is I am going to give my intraday views. Okay, so I have selected two stocks. Okay, what are the two stocks I have selected? First stock I have selected is Apollo Tyres. Okay, this is a 15 minutes chart. Apollo Tyres selected. That is I have drawn the support level also. See, it is how many times it first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch. So nearly 4 times it hit the support line. So what is my expectation means, that is if it is breaks this level, and if it is sustains below this. Okay, listen the term carefully. If it is sustained below this, what will happen? That is there is a further down movement is expected. Okay, this is just I am giving my own view. Okay, if you want to trade, it's your wish, you trade. I am not advising you to trade. Just you please observe it. Okay, so what is my sell for this stock? What is my observation? What I am going to do tomorrow is I will be selling below 195. Okay, what is that is today's low. Today's low in the sense Friday's low is 195.35. 0.35 is my buffer. Okay, if it is goes below 195, I will be selling it, and my first target is 194. Okay, and second target is 193, and I will be trialing my stop loss, and target 192. After 192 also I will not exit my position. What I will do means, that is I will continue. Okay, if it is reverses and if it is touching again 192 means I will exit my position. Okay, dear friends, but after that is after 195, if I sold below 195, for example 194.9095, I have sold, I placed the order, but it is reversing, it is going against me. I will wait till 197.25. This is my strict stop loss. If it is more than 197.30, I will exit my position. Okay, this is my first thing. So first sell below is how much? 195. Target 1 is 194. Target 2 is 193 and target 3 is 192. And my strict stop loss is 197.25. Okay, this is my first stock. And second stock I have selected is HDFC AMC. See, wonderful. This pattern is called descending triangle. Okay, dear friends, that is in coming videos I will be posting on chart patterns where you can trade individually. Okay, that is I will be posting on ascending triangles, descending triangles, Wolfe wave patterns. Okay, that is head and shoulders pattern, cup and handle pattern, like that. Various price action methods are there. And apart from that, that is supply and demand, support and resistance candlestick patterns, supply and demand candlestick patterns. All the patterns are there. In the coming videos I will be posting it. Okay. Okay, dear friends, this pattern, it is HDFC AMC. This HDFC AMC, this is the company. Okay, so that is, it is a 15 minutes chart. See how many touches it touched. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is this you can consider as a descending triangle pattern. It formed in 15 minutes chart. So what is my sell below level? That is on Friday its low is 2852.15. Okay, if it is going below 2850, if it is going below 2850 and is if it is sustaining below that for a few minutes, I will be selling it around 2849, like that I will be selling it. And I will be waiting for target. 21st target I will be waiting is 2835. Second target I will be waiting 2820, and the third target till 2805. Okay. Okay, dear friends, that is, this is the thing. After entering, that is at 2849, if I entered, but it is reversing back. Okay, instead of going down, it is reversing, it is going upwards. I will be waiting till 2880, 2880. This is my strict stop loss. Okay, dear friends, this is all about that is as far as tomorrow is concerned. Market will be highly volatile. It will hit a stop loss and it will go target. It will hit the target one and suddenly it will hit stop loss. Why is it so? Means that is tomorrow market Monday. First reason is Monday, so high volatility will be there. So you please wait for a few minutes, observe, and also that is the budget preparations and all will be there. So due to that, what will happen means high volatility will be there. Okay, dear friends, so plan your trade accordingly. Okay, dear friends. Okay, friends, thank you. We will see tomorrow.